Hey guys, we received this Hadley Design 16 educational poster for a classroom and kindergarten. Kindergarten classrooms are, the laminated pre-K learning charts. So this have a very informational thing, and you can see a very sharp and the good colors, the good design and the size. You can put poster in the classroom. This is for the alphabets, so it's good for learning for the kids. And the thickness is the right that you can put on the wall with the tape, and they use the days of the week, so the color combination and everything is good. The kids will be interested in reading all this. And then the printing quality, colors and the sharpness is all good, as you can see it here. So it's the month of the year, United States of America map, world map. So the overall, I will say the quality is good and the printing is good. So the weather, different types of weather. So this will be a good learning for a pre-K or the kindergarten kids. The different size of shapes, numbers. So these numbers are say 1 to 10, and then they have the numbers for 1 to 100. The colors. So basically, I will say it's a good thing to learn and good thing to show to the kids, and just put it aside so they can keep on learning. It's a very good for actually the classroom setup or the homeschool, and this is a solar system. So very bright and nice colors and big words to read easily. These are like some posters like the classroom rules, be positive, always do your best. So it's good motivational quotes here, and this is my body. Describes all the different parts of the body. So it's pretty much the fun learning, like the time, how to read the time, and the teach kids. So emotions and everything. So different type of emotions, and the picture speaks a lot of stuff. The money thing to make the kids learn for the money. So it's a nice learning posters.